In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate Google AdSense account. If your AdSense account was paused or deactivated, don't worry. Reactivation is straightforward when you follow a few key actions. We'll sign in, confirm your details, make sure your site is properly connected, and then give Google time to review everything. Start by opening your browser and heading to the AdSense website. Use a fresh session if you've been signed in to other Google services so you avoid mixing profiles. Next, sign in with the same Google account that's linked to your AdSense. If you manage multiple Google logins, double-check the profile icon in the top right to ensure you're in the correct account. Once you're in, look for the Reactivate Account button on your AdSense homepage. It usually appears as a prominent banner or action card. Click it to begin the guided flow. If you don't see it, you may already be active or you might be in the wrong account. Check the notifications area for more context. You'll be prompted to verify your phone number. Choose your preferred verification method, receive the code, and enter it exactly as shown. Make sure the device can get texts or calls at that moment and complete the verification before the code expires. After that, confirm that your site is connected to AdSense so it can generate impressions. Your site needs to be reachable, have meaningful content, and comply with program policies. If you previously removed the AdSense code, add it back now. Place the code in your site's head section or through your content management system as recommended by Google. Add it once, avoid duplicates, and publish the changes across your pages. It's normal if ads don't show immediately. The code still helps Google crawl and review your site. At this point, Google will review your site to ensure it meets the program policies. Reviews typically take a few days but can extend to 2 to 4 weeks depending on the queue and your site's complexity. Keep your site live, fix any obvious policy issues, and watch for messages in your AdSense account and email. Avoid testing by clicking on your own ad placements. When you receive the approval notice, you're reactivated. Ads will begin serving, and you can monitor impressions and earnings from your AdSense dashboard. That's the full process from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your reactivation.